Good morning, everyone. Welcome back in my class, Physics by Ankit sir. So, in this class, we are going to explain about what is the basic difference between real image and virtual image. Before starting this class, the one thing you must remember about the real image and virtual image that real image is formed when reflected light rays, what is reflected light rays? Those light rays which falls on a mirror and mirror reflect this light. This is called reflected light rays. What is reflected light rays? Those light rays which is reflected by the mirror. Okay. So when the reflected light rays actually meet at a point, then it is form a real image. But in case of virtual image, the reflected light rays not actually meet. The reflected light rays not actually meet, but it appears to meet at a point. Appears to meet
at a point.
at a point. So let's start this topic. The basic difference between real image and virtual image. The first point state that it is formed at a point where the reflected rays meet actually. I have discussed earlier that real image is formed when reflected rays meet actually. It means actually meet at a point. Is it clear to all students?
Yes, sir.
Very good. But in the case of virtual image, it is formed where the reflected light rays and this reflected light rays are diverged. This reflected light rays are in which manner? Diverged manner. Which manner? In diverged manner. Diverged rays actually they do not meet, but when B appears to meet backside, then it appears to meet backside at any point. This is the image point. Where they meet or appears to meet is called image point. This point is called
Image point.
So, in virtual image, reflected light rays not actually meet, but it
Appears to meet.
Okay, let's start. Second point. It can be obtained on a screen. As we know that real image meets actually. Real image, the reflected light rays meet at any point. So where they meet on the screen. We are able to meet them on the screen. A white paper, a white screen, a white curtain is used as a screen. A white paper or white curtain is used as a screen to obtain
Real image.
But virtual image is not meet actually point. In virtual image, light ray actually not meet, so they cannot be obtained on
Screen.
It cannot be obtained on a screen because the light rays, the reflected light rays do not meet actually. That's why it cannot be obtained on
Screen.
Only which image is obtained on a screen?
Real image.
Okay. So let's discuss next point. It is inverted. What is the meaning of inverted? It means when object is this way, it means the head is upside and leg is downside. But in case of real image, the head is downside and leg is
Upside.
So
Upside.
object is erect. Erect means seedha. But image is inverted. Inverted is different from laterally inverted. inverted and laterally inverted both are different. Both are
Different.
laterally inverted only state that the left side become right side and right side become.
Left side.
We can say that vice versa. We can say that vice versa. Left side become
Right side.
and right side become.
Left side.
But if we say only inverted, the real image is inverted. It means head become at the down and leg become at the up. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So, which image is inverted?
Real image.
Because it is obtained on
Screen.
a screen. So, listen carefully. So, to get image erect, if we wish to get a erect image, okay, if we wish to get an erect image, it means हमें सीधा इमेज चाहिए, तो क्या कर देंगे? We just put the object inverted. We just put the
Object
object
inverted.
inverted. Then by this way we get an erect
Direct
image.
image.
And
Direct image.
Direct
image.
this method is used in cinema hall theaters. Have you seen cinema hall theaters? Have you visited there?
Yes, sir.
Where? Kiran Cinema, Paradise Cinema, Anand Cinema, or APR Cinema? Okay, I think in your time there is only one cinema which can you visit is APR. But in my time there are number of cinema in Gaya city. Do you know this history?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this process is done in cinema hall. The object keeps inverted. That's why on the screen, do you know? Have you seen there is a big screen in the cinema hall?
Yes, sir.
So there is a projector in which object is in inverted form. Object in which manner?
Inverted form.
And this light is obtained on the screen and it becomes a big and erect form. It's so that it is bigger and erect form. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. So real image is inverted from the object. Real image is,
Inverted from the object.
but the image which is formed behind the mirror is erect. It means seedha. Erect means seedha.
Seedha.
And inverted means
Ulta.
ulta. Inverted
Ulta.
means ulta. Okay. Or laterally inverted means left, बायां वाला दायां और
Vice
दायां वाला बायां.
Bayan.
Left, right, vice versa. Left, right.
Vice versa.
Is it clear? Inverted and laterally inverted. Both are same or different with each other?
Different with each other.
Different.
Very good. So we should explain next point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The fourth
Yes.
point states that it is on the same side of the mirror where object is present. Is it clear? It means image is formed. Suppose this is a mirror. This is a mirror. Which mirror is this?
Mirror. Convex mirror.
No. The reflecting
Concave
surface is bent in, and the reflecting surface is bent in. Then this is a
Concave mirror.
concave mirror. Remember always when reflecting surface is bent in, then this is a
Concave mirror.
okay. And real image is formed only in.
Concave mirror.
So, what I'm trying to say that it is on the same side of the mirror where object is present. It means object is outside the mirror and image is also outside the
Mirror.
mirror. It means we can say that both are the same side of the mirror.
Yes, sir.
दोनों मिरर के सेम साइड में है, कह सकते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट भी और इमेज भी दोनों मिरर के एक ही साइड में बाहर ही है?
Yes. Yes.
Is it
Yes,
possible to make the object inside the mirror?
No, sir.
No.
No,
Very
sir.
good. So only inside the mirror there is only image is present. Inside the mirror there is only.
Image is present.
And which types of image is inside the mirror? Real image or virtual image?
Real image.
No. Inside the mirror. मिरर के अंदर सिर्फ और सिर्फ कौन सा इमेज होता है? वर्चुअल इमेज. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Inside the mirror, which image is present?
Virtual image.
Virtual image.
And real image,
Virtual image.
real image is formed behind the mirror or outside the mirror?
Outside the mirror.
Outside the mirror.
On the
Outside the mirror.
on the
mirror.
Screen.
yes,
Screen.
this is the right answer. Outside the mirror, on the
Screen.
or we can say that, and the same side of the object, in the same side of the
Object.
Object.
Is it clear to you this point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
It is on the same side of the mirror. It means outside. We can say that outside the mirror. Where is object
Mirror.
present?
Present.
But virtual image, it forms always where?
Behind.
Behind the mirror.
Behind the mirror. Mirror के
Behind.
पीछे. Mirror के
Picture.
Picture.
So let's explain fifth point, which is size of the image depends on the object distance from the mirror. Which image size? Real image size. Which image size?
Real image size.
Real image size. Suppose object is very far. Object is very far. Then image is a small. When the object comes closer to the mirror, which mirror?
Concave mirror.
Concave.
Mirror.
Then image become bigger and bigger. Image become
Bigger and bigger.
bigger and bigger.
Bigger.
Till we reach focus point. Till we reach
Focus
Focus
point.
point.
focus point. After the focus point, in concave mirror, it form virtual image. Are you able to understand my point? The focus
Yes.
point before, sorry, listen. Just far away from the focus point, concave mirror form real image. Far away from the focus point, concave mirror form.
Real image.
But when we reach near the focus point, focal point, focus, then it start
Yes,
making, then it start making
Virtual image.
virtual image, and image is inside the.
Mirror.
It means image point shifted from the outside the mirror to the
Inside the mirror.
which point?
Focus point.
Focus point. So focus on your topic. This is because we are going to explain focus point. We are going to explain.
Focus
Focus
point.
Point.
For example, when your interest from the study is shifted to the game and playing, then we can say that your focus is changed from the study.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the focus
Yes,
point,
Yes.
the focus point is that when image is shifted from the real to the
Virtual.
virtual,
Virtual
because
image.
concave mirror form both types of image. Concave mirror form,
Both types of
images.
अगर फोकस से आप अगर दूर पर हैं तो रियल इमेज बनेगा, अगर फोकस के अंदर आ गए हैं तो
Virtual image.
Virtual
virtual
image बनेगा.
image बनेगा. ठीक है? Okay. So size of the image depends on where object distance from the
Mirror.
mirror. मिरर से दूर तो इमेज छोटा, मिरर के पास तो इमेज बड़ा. कब तक? फोकस तक. कब तक?
Focus
Focus
point.
Focus तक. Okay. And the size of the image depends on virtual image के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. The size of the image depends on types
Nature
of
of
mirror used. Nature or types of mirror used.
Use.
For example, plane mirror, which size? Same size. Concave mirror,
Large size.
Large size. Convex mirror.
Small size.
Okay. So image size does not depends on the object distance. It depends on the
Nature of mirror.
nature of
Or
mirror
type of mirror
used. Okay.
used.
It can be obtained only in which mirror? Real image is obtained only in which mirror?
Concave mirror.
So this is the basic difference between real image and virtual image. I hope you
Virtual
get
image.
all points, all important points about real image and virtual
Virtual
image.
image.
Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is easy to
Yes.
learn.
Yes.
It is easy to remember the difference between real image and virtual image.
Yes. Yes.
So the first work is that just note down what
पांडे कुमार नाम डालता है
Difference between real image and virtual.
okay, just try to note down this.
Yeah.